The new example workflow of LTX video has a pre-process image node, which compressed the image to degrade the quality, like we did in salt and pepper workflow, after comparing the quality. I do not like the compression artifacts. Here is the comparison. It does not even move with degraded quality, but here with salt and pepper compression, it even got a slight camera movement by pepper settings. The old workflow will not run anymore. So I integrated the salt and pepper nodes into the new updated workflow. Besides the load image node, I also added batch queue load image to auto-load and process image folder if you have a bunch of images in a folder to process it unattended. You can queue it here, the socket connection is here, and the usual salt and pepper section I have marked it as red. And the flow going from left to right, I included the upscale to 4K section also. If you see this kind of errors, increase the steps. Now let's see the generated batch of car images by LTX 0.95 update.